Hello students, now we'll be discussing into grammar. Our topic is grammar. What is meant by grammar? Let us understand what is meant by grammar here. Grammar is nothing but collection of production rules. Grammar is nothing but collection of production rules. Also we say grammar is a generating device. Grammar is a generating device. So we will understand the grammar with example. Let us consider the grammar. Let's consider the grammar. Suppose what I said, grammar is the collection of production rules, like S deriving, suppose AB is a production, will call A derives A, suppose B derives B. These are the production. How many productions are there? Three productions are there. Collection of production rules, nothing but grammar. It is also generating device. What is generating? It is generating the string. The collection of string, nothing but language. As I mentioned, grammar generate the language. What kind of language it will generate, we will understand. So in this grammar, what are the capital symbols or letters representing the non-terminals, and small letters indicating the terminal nothing but forming the string. It will form a string. Let us understand. For this grammar I have to make a derivation tree. Will understand. So yes deriving, yes production will say yes deriving. What is deriving? Yes is deriving A and B. It is AB, it is deriving, correct? Or simply there is no A or B, AB only. This is concatenated this. You understand? Now see, in this production, A deriving what? This A alone is deriving what? A. This B is deriving B. So now understand grammar, language of this grammar. Suppose if I take G is a grammar, if I take language of grammar, it is generating what? A, B generating this. This A, B generating. Let's take another example to understand. Let's take second grammar G. Yes, deriving A, B. Assume that A derives A or B. Suppose B derives C is there. small c only. C deriving. Now what this language generating the grammar? Simply first you have to take the derivation tree from starting with S. S deriving what? A, B. A deriving what? A can derive either A or B. Or B. This is or. Either A or B it is deriving. So I should not draw here. So I will remove this. A deriving A as in that. Now another tree will get. Now B deriving what? C. So now language of this grammar will be what? AC I'll get, comma. So another tree will get S deriving. If I take S deriving AB and A deriving, if I take B, this B deriving C. Now BC. See, now you understand. The language generated from this grammar nothing but AC, BC. This is one string, is another string. Collection of string nothing but language. Later we will understand very clearly what is meant by grammar, how the strings are generated, how the language will be formed. Everything we will be dealing with very clearly. Just I am giving the brief introduction about what is grammar. Grammar nothing but collection of productions like this. Collection of productions like this. And it is generating what? Strings only. It is generating string nothing but forming language or not. It is forming language. If I take another example. So if I take another example, suppose. So grammar G, yes deriving A, B, okay, B deriving A or B, and A deriving C or D is there. Now see, so many trees will be there. Yes deriving what? A, small a, B, and this small a will not derive because this is terminal. This non-terminals only will derive further terminals. Are you getting my point? This is a terminal, it won't derive. Only capitals only will derive. A nothing but I can take C or D. B nothing but I can take A. So now what is string will form from this? C, A will get. Another thing will see S deriving A, B. And if I take A as a D, B as a A, if I take, what is string I will get here? D, A will get. Another tree if you see A, B, A deriving what? I can take C. Initially I have taken D, right? I can take C or D. So I will take C. And B deriving it if I take B. So now C, A, B I'll get. Yes or no? Even another tree we may get A, B, A deriving if I take D, and this is A, B deriving if I take A, sorry, B if I take. Now what I'll get? D, A, B will get. Is there any other possibility? D, C, A, we got, D, A, we got, C, A, B, we got, D, A, B got. So now language of this grammar will be, so either C, A, one string, D, A, yes or no? Now C, A, B and D, A, B. See, now the finite language generated from the grammar or not? Yes. So other example, more detail we will observe later. From this grammar, like based on the formation of production, the grammar also classified into four types of. So let me write. Based on the formation of production, the grammar is classified into four types. First one is type 0, like a type 0 language I told, right? Like this type 0 grammar or recursive enumerated grammar, same way. REG, recursive enumerated grammar. I already introduced, I think. Second type 1 also can say, or context sensitive grammar, context sensitive grammar. And third one is type 2 or context free grammar, And fourth one is type 3, also known to be regular grammar. This is regular grammar. Please understand. This is unrestricted grammar. This is restricted grammar. Please do understand. This is what restricted grammar, you can understand. Now type 3 is small. It is subset to type 2. Type 2 is subset to type 1. Type 1 subset to type 0. Means type 0 is a powerful recursive enumerated grammar, unrestricted. It is generating more string, more number of languages will generate. Type 3 will generate only regular grammar, regular languages only. So previously one diagram I given all of you. Did you remember this? Yes or no? Did you remember, ma? Formal language. Chomsky hierarchy given. So that got removed. Chomsky hierarchy I have drawn, right? Yes or no, all of you? So now automatas are there, grammars are there, languages are there. Please don't understand. Automata will accept the language, grammars will generate the languages. That you have to understand. Type of formal language, type of grammars, and type of automatas we observed. So some detailed automata will be looking into next session. Please do copy clearly, all of you.